Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chocolate chip cookies. We are going to turn these simple ingredients into the best chocolate chip cookie recipe you will ever use. You will never need another recipe. I have been making this recipe for years and it is always a favorite. We are going to start with 1 stick of salted butter melted and 1 cup of brown sugar. Attach the paddle attachment thing to your mixer and turn it on and let it mix. I'm not going to make y'all watch the mixer, so I have shortened it up and cutting down all the mixing. So I cut all that out. But mix it until it's mixed. Next, we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I always like to add a little bit extra because why not? So add the vanilla, turn your mixer back on, get it good and mixed. Next, we are going to take 1 egg. There's the egg, and crack, crack, crack. Into the bowl it goes. Once you have added your egg, then turn your mixer back on and mix in the egg. After that is incorporated, you are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon because my teaspoon was dirty from the vanilla. So that's why I'm using 2 scoops, but it is only 1 teaspoon of salt. Turn the mixer back on, mix that in. Next, we are going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So put in your baking soda, dump, dump. Into the mixer it goes, and turn your mixer back on to get that mixed in. We are almost done, just 2 ingredients left. Next, we have 1 1/4 cup of bread flour. Yes, bread flour. Into the mixer that goes, and turn the mixer on. Mix, mix, mix. Get it incorporated nice and well. Eventually, you're going to have to up the speed just a little bit to get it all mixed up nice and good. Once that's all mixed up, you are going to add the chocolate chips. Add a 1/2 bag of chocolate chips, or as many as you feel like adding. I added a little bit too much, but can you really have too many chocolate chips? I don't know. But add as many as you want. That is completely up to you. Just eyeball it. But the recipe is 1/2 bag. After that's mixed up, you want to get a spatula and scrape off your paddle attachment. Or if you want to, you could just, lick it and eat that cookie dough. I will not judge. I have licked plenty of spatulas and paddle attachments. And now that that's done, you're going to set it to the side. Now this cookie dough needs to refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before you use it. Now I have refrigerated it for 30 minutes, or I've refrigerated it overnight, especially when I'm making a lot of cookies for the holidays and stuff, and I'm making a lot of different kinds. I'll refrigerate it overnight, and that way I can get started first thing in the morning making cookies. So at least 30 minutes or up to overnight, probably longer, I don't know. But it does need to be refrigerated. So get it all scraped out. Yep, there, the bowl's empty. Get it off our spatula because we want all that goodness in cookies. Oop, don't forget that chocolate chip that fell out. And there you go. Next, we are going to preheat our oven to 350. We are going to spread our parchment paper onto our baking sheets, and then we are going to make our cookies. So when you form a cookie, it does not have to be any particular size or shape. Just kind of smush it around to a somewhat circular shape and keep going with them. You can make them as big or as small as you want. And you are going to find out the key to the greatest chocolate chip cookies is we are going to put them in the broiler. Yes, you are going to see I am blessed with a double oven, so I can broil them in the top, and as soon as they're done, put them in the bottom to bake. But if you have one, just the single oven, turn your broiler on and stick them in there. Mine takes 2 minutes in the broiler. My old oven took 1 minute. So you're gonna have to test your oven out. So see, I pull them out now, they're not ready. They need to be slightly browned when they're done. So like I said, my oven takes 2 minutes, and this is what they look like coming out of the broiler. If you have a double oven, you can stick it right into the oven that's at 350 degrees and carry on with your way and bake them for 7 minutes. Again, depending on your oven is how long it's going to take. Oh, don't those look amazing? If you only have the single oven, you're going to need to turn your broiler off and switch it to oven to bake to 350 degrees. Give it a minute for the broiler to turn down, and then you can put your cookies in. But remember, broil 1 to 2 minutes, bake 7 minutes, or until they're done, depending on your oven. Then after about 5 minutes, you can take your cookies off and put them on a cooling rack to finish cooling. And there you go. Beautiful chocolate chip cookies. Depending on the size you make is how many cookies you're going to get. I got 58 cookies out of the recipe today. I like to make slightly smaller cookies, but it depends on, like I said, the size of the cookies you make. But this is the only recipe you will ever need, I promise. And if you like this video, give me a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye!